Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, today is Saturday, and you know Jamaican people, when a Saturday day, they love to make soup. So anyhow, I'm really hungry now. Guess to take me up, guys. I'm gonna want some soup. It's gonna be really easy and simple because I don't have much to put in it. But we're gonna make some chicken feet or chicken foot gungo peas soup. Alright. Gotta put some garlic in the water, and you want to put some pimento or allspice. All right, just a few grain. If it's my husband, he put a lot, but that will do. All right, I'm gonna tip like maybe quarter teaspoon or half teaspoon salt for now, just for now. All right, and then we're gonna put the chicken feet because you want them to boil a little bit, them tough, you know. Chicken foot gonna give it a little bit of flavor, you know. All right, if you have piece of beef, you can put it in it as well, but we're gonna make this boil up and cook for about 35 to 40 minutes or 45 minutes. And we're also gonna put a little bit of scallion for now, and we're gonna add some later. And I want to put some thyme. I'm gonna put the pepper after. Okay, I just want to add a little flavor, take away the rawness. All right, we're gonna cover this up, and then we're gonna come back, let it cook. Here my peeps, I have like a cup of flour, maybe a little bit more than half cup of cornmeal, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, about half teaspoon, something like that. And you know, I'm gonna need some hot water. All right guys, everybody know to make dumpling. I'm gonna need it and put it aside. All right, I don't have any pumpkin, but I'm gonna put some squash. All right, you can put them same time to boil. All right, now I'm just gonna add, here I have some chicken neck and legs. Just gonna add everything now and let it boil down, and then I'm gonna put the yams and the dumplings. I don't have any breadfruit today, guys. All right, we're gonna let this simmer for another half an hour, and then we're gonna peel the food. I'm gonna peel the potato, yams, carrots, and I have a kind of sweet potato. All right, we're gonna peel everything, and then we're gonna come back. But first, I'm gonna put the potato first so it can mash out, make the soup thick and all. All right, my peeps. Woo. This is how it's looking. Soup is getting on the way. All right, guys, it's a really quick and fast soup. Now I have the Irish potato and the carrots. We're gonna add that in, and at the same time, we're gonna add the pigeon peas or gungo peas. All right, this is the dry one. You can use the green one. And also guys, if you don't have this one, you can boil it at home, just pressure it ahead of time. All right, and yeah, I can't wait guys. I'm ready to drink the soup. I'm hungry, bad, I'm hungry. All right, we're gonna let this boil down for another say half an hour. Put some yams. Gotta put the yam fast before we start change color, you know, start turn red already. But anyhow, we put the yams in it. Just give this a little stir. Woo! It's looking good, guys. Yes. So now we're just gonna make the dumplings. Make them to the size you like, guys. Don't worry about my little bit of nail polish, guys. It's just a little bit. Make them something like that. If I'm cooking for people, guys, you gotta take off the nail polish. All right. Make some roll-ups. All right. Or spinners. No, little spinners. Always when you put the dumplings in, you want to give the pot a stir. All right, we're not gonna season it up yet. We're gonna cook it down for another 15-20 minutes. Just let it simmer, don't rush it. I will come back and we're gonna season up the pot. All right guys, I'm back. We're gonna season up the pot now. A whole heap of soup, you know guys. Everything well cooked now. Well, not well cooked, but it's on the way. All right, we're gonna put 1 scotch bonnet pepper. I have some more frozen green onion or scallion. Guys, I buy them when they're on sale and I freeze them, put them in the freezer. I'm gonna put 1 of this beef flavor, braised bouillon, and we're gonna go in with 1 pack of cock soup, and I like to mix it out a little bit before it starts to clump up or lump up. And then we're gonna go in with a pumpkin flavor. You can use whatever you want, guys. Use whatever you want. And just mix it out a little bit. We're gonna put some thyme. You can use the green one or the dry one, whatever you have. All right. And I think that's about it. All right, and I'm gonna put in, oh, one more thing. So this is my blended green seasoning. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon or a little bit more. Give it the flavor. All right, I will just leave a link in the description. All right, you have scallion, onion, thyme, parsley, garlic, cilantro, allspice, olive oil, whole shebang. I will leave a link. All right, and then that's it. If you're like a butter person, you can maybe put a teaspoon of butter in it. And my peeps, you know that if you have the regular corn, you would put it in with the meat and everything to boil, all right? But I don't have that, so I'm going to put some of this. I'm going to put the whole can. I rinse it off, guys, like swallow the water and rinse it off because the preservative on it. So that's what I'm going to do. So I kind of have a little corn flavor, you know you go. But I forgot to get some corns. All right, let this boil down. All right, guys, this part is optional, but I have a little bit of this coconut milk in the pack, and I'm going to put like about 2 tablespoons, not much. All right, you don't have to. I just want a little bit of coconut flavor. All right, let that simmer down. And if it wants salt, you add salt. All right, add to your liking. All right, guys, we're almost there. Look, the man, hot up bubble. All right, we turn down the stove to medium, and we're gonna let it finish simmer down. You want all of this to come to gravy. You don't want it so watery. You don't want it to run regular boil. All right, so let it stay and boil a little bit more. At this time, you want to taste it if it wants salt, yes or not. All right, I'll come back when it's done. All right, guys. Ooh, stove off now. Give it a little stir. Ooh. Make sure you're not itching, guys. You don't want to burn at all. And this is it, guys. All right. You can make it dry down more if you want, but I'm gonna let it cool down and I'm gonna share out some. All right, this is it. This is my chicken foot gungo peas soup. Can feed the whole family, whole community in the country area. All right. Always dry down a little bit more, but this is it. All right, we'll get some dumplings. Oh yeah. Put 1 chicken leg. Ooh. Chicken foot. A little piece of yam. Where's the yam? Spinach too. All right, and guys, when you take up the soup now, you go down from the bottom. Put a little piece more yam. All right, you go down from the bottom like this. You stir it up. All right, just don't take up the top. You want the put the pepper in there too. Ooh. Just go down from the bottom and shake it like this, and then you take up all this goodness. You see this, guys? Put it over here. Ooh. I think that's enough, guys. Can feed a lot of people from this pot. All right, and this is my gungo chicken foot or chicken feet, anyhow you want to call it, soup. This is my soup for you. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna dive down in it right now. It's super delicious, and we make it with a lot of soup. Belch all the gas. All right, guys, this is it. You can add whatever you want to your soup. All right, mix and match. Just add a lot of flavor in it. All right, guys, and this is your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave your little bit of girl a like and share up the video. Subscribe for other amazing content, and if you know a video what you want me to do, just leave it in the comment section, or anyway, message me, whatever you want to do. All right, guys, and this is it. I love upon me and I love upon you. Just a quick soup on this Saturday evening here. All right, happy Sabbath for those who believe in who worship on the Sabbath, and happy Saturday overall. This is another blessed day. We are alive and we are well. We gotta give God thanks. All right, guys, you have a good day. Bye, guys. Oh, I want to taste it for you. We're gonna taste it. You can burst the pepper in it, or you can put more pepper. It's up to you. Oh yes. I may taste a little piece of the yam. We don't want to flash out. Ooh. Hot, you know, guys. Make it cool down nice. Oh. If you have a lot of gas, drink a lot of soup and a lot of cheese, belch the gas. You know you go. Oh, hot. I am burning out your throat all. Alright, bye guys. Dumpling one cool. Have a good day.